How to use Temu credit for shopping. First, you need to know which currency your credit is in. To do this, go to your account and then go to where it says credit balance, and once there, the amount of money you have available will appear. In my case, the money is available in Colombian pesos, which is this currency right here, but in your case, it might be in a completely different currency, and it's possible that no available credits show up here. For that, what you're going to do is come here to the flag, top right, click Change Country or Region, and here you have to choose another country where you think you have available credits. For example, it could be the United States. We click here, click Change, and once we click Change, it will ask us to sign in. Simply sign back in with the same email address from our account. And once we've updated this, we go back to credit balance and it'll appear here. For example, this showed up for me here, but in this case, I don't have anything available right now. But always remember that the country you choose here is the one you'll be ordering from. That is, if I'm going to order in the United States, it's because I'm in the United States and can receive it in the United States. So that's why it's important that you set this up correctly. In my case, as you saw, I have the credit in another country, so let's change it. And once here, what we're going to do is simply go to the home page and choose everything we want to buy. In this case, as we already saw, we have this amount in credits. Once we've chosen the products, we go to the cart and the products will appear here. So we must always make sure, because this will be applied automatically, that the credit value has already been applied. So here appears the total amount of what the items I selected cost. Then a discount from Temu, then the actual remaining value, and after this, the credit discount is applied, so I end up paying only this. And once you validate all the options that are here, well, then you click Pay. In case this ends up at 0, you just click Pay, and you don't have to do anything else. If a very small balance remains, like this one for example, what you'll do is pay with any other method, with a card or whatever method it allows. In my case, it will be with a credit card, and I just pay and that's it. So we click Pay here. Here it asks if we want to add more products. We say no, we click Continue. And once we're here, it shows me that shipping is free. Always remember to check this because sometimes they might want to charge you for a specific product. It's not always for everything, but sometimes it's for certain products. And once you verify that, then we scroll down and select the payment method. In my case, it'll be this one, and I click Submit Order right here. And once I click Submit Order, the payment will start processing. And once the payment is processed, it says Payment Successful, and that's it. We just wait for the date shown here, which is when the order will arrive, and that's it. That's how you manage to use your Temu credit.